Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. Please click that like button and that subscribe button. Today we are going to be discussing what you could spend your economic injury disaster loan monies on. As a disclosure, I am not an accountant. What can you spend your economic injury disaster loan monies on? If you go to SBA.gov and on their main screen is the coronavirus screen, and then you go to the overview section. And in this overview section, it reads, these loans may be used to pay fixed debts, payroll, accounts payable, and other bills that can't be paid because of the disaster's impact. The interest rate is 3.75% for small businesses, and the interest rate for nonprofit is 2.75%. Okay, so what is fixed debt? Now, fixed debt is any type of liabilities that or assets that your company owns is considered fixed debt. That means you have a note and it's paid in a certain or paid off in a determined amount of time. A house, car, equipment paid off in 10 to 20 years. It's probably a 30-year loan on that debt, okay, or that fixed asset. Okay, if you use your vehicle for your company, that is fixed debt. You could pay off your car with that monies. If you have a building, now if you wasn't able to pay the mortgage for your commercial property, that is assumed a fixed debt. Now, if you are a home-based business, you might want to ask your accountant. Number one, can I actually do it? You need to ask your accountant that. And then number two, how would it affect your business if you are a home-based business? Payroll. We all know what payroll is. If you pay yourself, you paid it off for payroll. Any 1099s, that's considered payroll. Also, accounts payable is another thing that you could use. So that's, say for instance, and this is my company, accounts payable, I have vendors that I use to buy product from, and accounts payable, normally accounts payable is 30 days, but if you're behind, it will be whatever late fees that you have incurred with that company, and they more likely they probably want all their money up front before they give you any other product. Okay, so that's accounts payable. So accounts payable could be your taxes, your accountant. If you pay your accountant on a monthly basis, that's considered accounts payable. Manufacturing costs, that may be considered accounts payable. Okay, so any type of bills that your business have and they want you to pay in 30 days, that could be considered accounts payable. And other bills that can't be paid, that's anything that's incurred because of your business. Any type of bills that couldn't be paid because of the disaster, your rent or your utilities, your credit card, business credit cards, those could be paid off. So anything that deals with your business, basically. And that's why the economic injury disaster loan is so important, because it's so different than the PPP. The PPP loan, you only have certain things that you could use it for. You could use it for payroll expenses and rent, utilities and rent. Anything else is not allowed, or it will not be forgivable. Okay, so and that's exactly why I say the PPP is good if you have a lot of employees and you have a building and you need to spend it on rent and utilities. But however, if you have manufacturing costs and all that other stuff, if you have any questions, that you contact your accountant and talk it over with them. Put in the comments section, what do you plan to use your monies on? If you were approved, if you receive your economic injury disaster loan, I would like to know, what bills are you paying with your loan? I am sending all my good to you, and I will talk to you soon.